Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. As I've always said, I will try and respond to any comment, and this is a response to one of the comments. I've been asked, how do I get to the big centre display screen? And I'm suspecting, because the comment is reference tips and tricks for energy monitoring screen. So I'll show you how to get to the energy monitoring screen in the menu. When you've turned the car on and the main screen's come up, you need to press menu on the right hand side, and that'll take you to this screen where you've got audio, phone, apps, info and setup. You need to select info. You've got three options in info: trip information, history, and the one you need is energy. That'll take you through to the energy monitor. If you've got your phone plugged in, I'll just plug my phone in and we'll come back to the menu and I'll show you how to get to it if you've got your Apple CarPlay turned on. If you've got your phone plugged in and you're on your Apple CarPlay, you can get to the energy monitoring screen through the little dots at the bottom here. By selecting them, then touching the Toyota icon, which you'll find in one of your screens, which happens to be there, and it brings up the same menu as I showed you earlier in the video. Again, it's just info, and your energy monitor screen will pop up on your screen by selecting history. Sorry, not history, energy. You need to select energy. That's how you access the energy monitor screen on the centre display. Thank you for watching a North Wales side-by-side video. Please consider liking the video. Please consider subscribing. And any other questions you've got, please ask, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you.